Good evening. Today we will be looking at a interesting and new topic, AI. What is AI? How to use it in our daily workflows, and how technical and non-technical people can integrate it in their work. So we'll start with understanding what is AI. Let me share my screen. So we will be seeing from basics to how we can make our workflow smart with the AI driven workflows, and we can maximize our productivity with smarter workflows and faster growth. So these are the topics we will be covering. We will understand what is AI. It will be in simple terms, and then we will look what everyday AI tools we can use in our workflows. Then we'll be looking at AI for technical and non-technical use cases, then business automations, and how to choose the right AI tool for your work. So we will first understand what AI is. So we will take a simple analogy that will be how we learned to recognize a cat. So nobody gave us a rule book or that said it has four legs, it meows, or it has fur. So how we learned it is that we saw it over years for hundreds of times, and then we started to recognize that this is a animal called cat. That same goes with AI models. So it looks for enormous amount of data, find patterns in that, and then uses those patterns to predict or generate outputs when a new example is given to it. So we are looking at why it matters for our businesses. AI save time, cut costs, operational costs. We can get better decisions from it as we can share the data, and it can give us valuable insights from it. It can boost productivity of teams, and we can give a smooth and good experience to our users. So we will be looking at what AI tools we can use in our everyday works. So there are several tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Microsoft Copilot that we use in our daily workflows. So we use this for tasks such like writing. We can generate content from this. We can use this for our research purpose. Then we can do knowledge management. We can do productivity and our works where we can create designs from models like Canva AI, etc. So these are the popular providers, models: ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. So ChatGPT is by OpenAI. So this is probably the most well-known AI tool, which is in the fingertips of everyone nowadays. So we can use this for a large amount of tasks. Like we can use this for generating emails, writing content, summarizing documents, or technical folks can use this for debugging their code, brainstorm new ideas using this. Then there is Gemini by Google. So it is Google's AI assistant integrated into search and Google Workspace like Docs, Excel, Sheets. So the teams using Google if in their daily workflows, is a strong tool for them. It has good research capabilities, and it is easily accessible with the Google ecosystem. And then we have Claude by Anthropic. So Claude is a very strong model when it comes to nuanced tasks and which are very complex, where have to do complex works like design complex architectures. This proves to be very helpful in that work. Then we have other tools we will be discussing for like technical people. Uh, where they can use tools like GitHub Copilot. Uh, Specifically, this proves to be a game changer. We can integrate this in our IDs like VS Code, JetBrains, etc. So it gives features like autocomplete, suggest entire functions, explains code, and write tests for us. Then there is Perplexity. Uh, we can think of it as a search engine, which can answer questions rather than giving just links or references. Then comes AI without code. This is for all the non-technical folks who use AI in their daily workflows. AI tools, we will take an example of design or editing. So Canva is one of AI tool which non-technical people use a lot. No requirement of writing any code. The AI does the all content creation. We can simply give prompt and we can get the outputs from it. Then comes from for domains like HR and marketing. We can AI tools can screen resumes which are helpful in the tasks of HR department. Uh, you can schedule interviews. Then the AI for businesses. So real automation use case we will be seeing here. Many businesses requirement customer support 24 by 7. So here we can integrate chatbots or voice bots which can answer the user queries 24 by 7. So and it can analyze if there is a need of escalating the case to humans. Then there are email marketings. We can do email marketing campaigns using AI. We can write and schedule the emails. Then come for finance domains and accounting. Invoices can be processed, expenses can be categorized, uh, and we discussed for HR earlier. Then comes sale forecastings. We can predict pipeline outcomes and prioritize the high value leads. We can do this using the data analysis tools, such as Power BI, which prove to be very helpful in our daily analysis. So choosing the right tool is the key. So we have to define our goals first. What is our work? What is our task? What is our aim? And we can choose our AI tool accordingly. Ease of use is one of the main points. So it should not be much technical. We should be able to easily integrate it on in our daily workflows, and all that folks can should be able to use it without any confusing workflows or without any friction. And one of the point is cost efficiency. Uh, the model should be cost efficient as well. Uh, you can start with free trials of tools such as ChatGPT, Claude, and then you can shift to the subscription plans, which start from as low as $20 per month for a user. So you can automate your business. You can book a free consultation call and get to know more about how you can convert your AI business in using AI into smart business. Thank you.